Have you ever noticed that weird moment in your video editing journey? You see two videos shot with the same camera, same location, even the same lighting, yet one looks absolutely cinematic and the other just looks normal. What's the secret? It all comes down to color grading. See, filmmakers don't just capture footage, they sculpt the colors to create emotion, mood, and atmosphere. And once you crack this code, your videos can instantly level up and look way more professional. So, let's break it down. The very first step, which most beginners totally skip, is color correction. Pro filmmakers always start here. Color correction is all about fixing your image before you get creative with it. You need to adjust the white balance, fix the exposure, and balance the contrast. The most important thing is to make sure skin tones look natural and lifelike. Think of it like preparing a canvas before you start painting. You need a clean, balanced base to work from. Once your image is clean and corrected, you move on to the next crucial step, creating contrast. Cinematic images almost always have deeper, richer shadows and carefully controlled highlights. If you're using software like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, you can play with the shadows, blacks, and highlight sliders. Try lowering the shadows just a little bit and adding a touch of contrast. Instantly, you'll see your image gain a sense of depth and dimension that it didn't have before. It stops looking flat and starts to pop. Now, for the fun part, the step everyone loves, the actual color grade. This is where you inject your unique visual style. A super popular technique filmmakers use is called color separation. This usually involves pushing the shadows toward cooler tones, like a subtle blue or teal, while keeping the highlights and midtones, especially skin, on the warmer side, often with a hint of orange. This creates a beautiful color contrast that separates the subject from the background. It's the reason so many Hollywood movies have that famous teal and orange look. It's about enhancing the specific mood of your scene. For example, warm golden colors can make a scene feel happy, emotional, or nostalgic. On the flip side, cool, desaturated tones can create a sense of tension, mystery, or sadness. The colors you choose have to serve the story you're telling. Another powerful tool in your arsenal is saturation control. A common mistake beginners make is cranking up the saturation, making everything look overly vibrant and cartoonish. Professional colorists are much more subtle. They selectively increase color where it matters most, to draw the viewer's eye. And they might even reduce color in other parts of the frame where it's distracting. This delicate balance keeps the image looking rich, but still natural and believable. Then there's the challenge of color consistency. If you're editing a sequence with multiple clips, they all need to feel like they belong in the same world. This means you have to meticulously match the exposure, the colors, and the contrast from shot to shot. When everything is perfectly consistent, your entire video feels polished, cohesive, and incredibly professional. It's this attention to detail that separates the amateurs from the pros. Finally, let's talk about the finishing touch, LUTs, or lookup tables. You've probably heard of them. LUTs are essentially color presets used in filmmaking that can quickly give your footage a specific cinematic style. But here's the pro tip. Professionals rarely just apply a LUT and call it a day. They do all the hard work of correction and grading first. Then, they might apply a LUT at a lower intensity, say 50 or 60%, and then fine-tune the final result. The goal isn't to create a dramatic, over-the-top color effect. The goal is to achieve believable color that enhances the story. When you bring all these steps together, the initial correction, the contrast, the creative grade, the consistency, and those final touches, your footage completely transforms. It stops looking like raw video from a camera and starts looking and feeling like a real film. Because great filmmakers understand a simple but powerful truth: color isn't just a visual thing, it's an emotional one. And when you learn to control color, you learn to control how your audience feels. Thanks for watching. You found this helpful? Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips to make your videos stand out. I'll see you in the next one.